Hi everyone, I'm just doing a quick video to show you how we're getting along with the Juliet dress from 1969 that I have been crocheting. So we have got, this is the bodice which stops here, and then the part, this changes to a shell stitch, the same as these stitches. So what I was saying before, what I said I'd show you, what I meant, what you could do, this is a jumper because this is the row you start on, and then you work up and then you do the sleeve, and next I'll be doing the other sleeve over here, and then you do the skirt last from here down, and then it has that little cord tie that will run through here, which you do last and put it through the stitches. So this is the puff. So that's what I was saying about, you could make it a jumper because you could just do this, more rows up and up, and then start your sleeve and do your other sleeve. And then if you wanted, you could put some kind of fancy edging along the bottom when you'd finish the jumper, and there you'd have a jumper, which I might make myself one actually, because I think this would be really nice as a jumper. So this is like the big puff part that is the shoulders. This yarn is showing up really light, really bright on my phone camera, but it's actually a mustard yellow. And then you can see, so the sleeve, this is the shoulder, and then the sleeve tightens all back up here, but then it goes into shell stitches, and the shell stitches get larger and larger so that it just goes into a huge kind of really wide sleeve. Now for me, I decided to put on some detail. Rather than just having it all one colour, I've put on this really nice emerald green. It's quite bright emerald green for they're my tails, sorry, I haven't sewed them in yet, for the edging. So I will have this emerald green at the end of the sleeves. I'll have it at the bottom of the skirt part, and I will use it for the cord that runs through here. But this is how it's looking, and it really is gorgeous, and I'm actually surprised it does work up pretty quickly. The sleeves do, because it's shell stitch, it's quite fast because it's all double crochets. The part that takes the longest is this big puff at the top, because it's a lot of stitches to do, so that's what took me the longest to do. So I'm going to continue making this dress, which I will be putting for sale once it's complete, because I won't be able to wear this dress. And I'm thinking this will probably be a size 14 when it's complete, for a size 14 lady. And so I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to be doing the other sleeve, and then I will maybe do another video so you can see how it's looking with both sleeves. So there we go, I thought I'd show you it. And I am thinking to maybe do a tutorial for this dress or for the jumper. So if you're interested in anything like that, please do comment and let me know, and I will do it. I will do a tutorial. Oh, one more thing. I wanted to show you the yarn that I chose to make this dress, because they are old patterns, the yarn for this particular dress is discontinued. You usually find that with a lot of these older patterns. So I found a perfect substitute, which they sell at Hobbycraft, and they're doing a great deal at the moment. You can get 3 of these huge 400 gram balls, buy 2 and get 1 free. So I did that, and it's an Aran weight yarn, soft and smooth. It's called the Women's Institute, and I think it's only sold at Hobbycraft, and it really is soft and silky, and it has a nice sheen on it as well. It's really, really nice yarn, so I definitely recommend using this yarn, and they've got lots of different colours. It is 5mm crochet hook, which is what we're actually using to make this dress, this Juliet dress. And it's pretty much got good. It's hand wash only, or dry clean, 100% acrylic. But it really is nice yarn, so I definitely would recommend using it if you've not used it before. So yeah, I am almost finished with the first ball for this dress, so I'm thinking it's going to use maybe 2 400 gram balls and maybe a little bit extra. That's what I'm thinking, but I don't know for certain yet. So that's what I wanted to show you today, and I really do recommend making this beautiful 1969 style dress if you like the 60s and the 70s, because it's going to be really pretty actually. And it's great because it's Aran weight yarn. It's not super heavy, but it's going to be brilliant for autumn, I think. Autumn and winter. You could wear it winter as well. But definitely autumn, with these nice colours and the mustard and everything as well. It'll look really nice. So I've burbled on enough, so I'm going to go, and please do join me over on my group or my YouTube if you're wanting to follow along with my tutorials and things like that. And I will see you later, so I hope you all have a really nice evening. Bye.